Opel Corsa car we have is 1.2. Our video explains how to use the speed limiter and the functions of each button. Here you can see that there is a limiter present, the limiter below and the speed limiter above. When you press the limiter, you can also use the button to retrieve the memory you set earlier. You can set it to the value you saved. To turn this on, we press it.
142 is currently active.
I'll show it again. To limit speed. Below is the limiter button. Then you press the play button here. And it's working now. You can't exceed 142, no matter how much you try. The setting is this.